Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, first up, we've got major company here. That's Jamaica Producers Group, coming out recently as we carried with major profits, huge numbers in their core business as well as their corporate services division. In tonight's show, we're going to talk about trading in their shares. A buy here, another positive sign from the JP Group. A director buying up 19,688 shares, just under 20K, happening March 4th, 2021. Now, Derrimon Trading Company, they just raised that APO, $4 billion plus. And of course, they're using it here, whether they're paying down debt, in this case, preference shares, a notice of early redemption coming out on the Jamaica Stock Exchange in terms of a corporate action item. So what are they saying here is that they're going to be early redeeming, came out as at March 5th, 2021. Next up, we got CAC 2000 here, that's CAC 2000. We spoke about their quarterly results. Now, consideration of dividend payment. So what's the company saying? The board meeting was held, and what CAC is saying is that a decision was taken not to declare a dividend just right now or at this point at their board meeting, and to really, retain cash or conserve cash for any upcoming activities that the business has. So based on the profitability for the quarter, we carried it. It was a better number, better EPS, earnings per share, better net profit number for the company, but not a huge number. We like that decision on Business Live. Not always the right time to declare a dividend. Now, Lumber Depot reporting blockbuster results, huge numbers, a strong Q3 and 9 months or year to date. Why is this happening? Well, construction is surging, not just in Kingston, St. Andrew, everywhere you drive around the country, you turn left, you turn right, and boom, there is just construction happening everywhere. Carib Cement results up huge, and that's the CCC or CCC for the ticker symbol for Carib Cement. Huge numbers there. So what is selling now despite the pandemic? Board and concrete is selling non-stop across the landscape of Jamaica, folks. Last up, overseas markets, talking about the US markets. US jobless claims hitting a low here since late 2020, November to be exact. We like to see that. That's a good sign because we're seeing some record highs here. S&P 500 record high in terms of the index or the indices. Dow Jones, boom, jumping up again above 32,500 points after retracing to below 31,000 points. We said above 32,000, now above 32,500. So every day you're just seeing this jump and jump and jump. Lots of investors, analysts out there said, well, US market can't keep going. 5 years ago, 3 years ago, a year ago, it keeps going with interest rates, US Treasury yields, all-time lows, lower. There's a little bit of a seesaw there with a 10-year Treasury, but the point is the markets are moving higher. Jobs reports supporting that. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.